2012 MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, fog lamps, compass, heated driver's seat, power door locks, passenger airbag, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, driver memory seats, power heated outside mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.